Toys Unlimited with Nat, Essie, and Sprinkles the Bear.
Oh man, I'm hungry.
I hear you, Captain. Me too.
Fighting bad guys does make you hungry.
Uh-oh, looks like our superheroes are starving. No worries, guys. This time around, I will be safe. Now let's open this up. Ooh. So we have a surface on each side. That goes like that. We have our charcoal inside the grill, and we also have another space in here for, I guess, some storage. Over here on the cover, we have some spots for our grill accessories, like our grilling spatula. We also have our tongs. There is our knife. Uh-oh. We also got our grilling basket. We also have our lighter. This one goes right here. Oh, and a chopping board. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 blue plates. We have pink utensils. 2 and 2, 4 pink forks. 2 plus 2, 4 pink knives. Now, what are these? Oh, I know. This becomes our seasoning container. So that means we have to put our seasoning sticker right here. Just like that. Let's go ahead and put it over here on this side. And now for the final bag, we have our bottle of tomato ketchup. Let's get our tomato ketchup sticker. Goes right here. That goes in the corner. And no grilling wouldn't be complete without our barbecue sauces. Which are these? They go 1 on each side. Oh wait, I think we also have covers. So that's 1 and 3. Now we're ready to cook. Supergirl, Captain America, what would you like to have?
Hamburger sounds really good right now.
Yes, please. Burger for me too. Let's go ahead and turn our grill on all the way up high. Oopsie, it's still not on. Let's go ahead and help it out with our lighter. Here's our spatula. And let's go ahead and grill our patties. Give it a little press. Now I think it's ready to be flipped over. Oops! Press it again. Make sure it gets cooked. Okay, I think that's done. Let's put it on the side. Now time to toast our bread. Time to use our tongs to flip our buns. Give them all a good press. And I think we're good. So let's get our burger patty. Goes right here. All right. How about some lettuce? Ketchup, please. Tomato ketchup for Supergirl. How about you, Captain America?
No, thank you.
All done. This is for Supergirl. It's delicious. And for Captain America. Nice, this totally saves the day. Thanks, guys.
How about a grilled chicken for me? Me too. Also, a corn on the side.
Got it! Let's start off with our chicken. Let's not forget to season it. And put some barbecue sauce. Time to flip it. Season again. And sauce. Okay, I think that's done. That looks good. Let's go ahead and grill our corn next. Turn it once in a while. And I think it's done too. Nice! Here's our food for our hungry superheroes.
You're the grill master.
I also have some hot dogs. Who would like to have one? Hot dog? That will be me.
And me.
Perfect. Let's turn our grill on again. And this time, we are going to use our grill basket. So all we have to do is put our hot dogs inside, just like that, and put it on the grill. Now you might be wondering why we're doing this. Well, this basket actually prevents the hot dog from slipping through the cracks of your grill. That way it doesn't go straight to your charcoal or wood. Okay, I think it's all done. Let's turn this off. And inside our hot dogs go. Ketchup, anyone? Okay. All done! Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. In the comment section, let me know who is your favorite superhero, or you can tell me which one of the food that we made is your favorite. Is it the hot dog on a bun, our burger, or our corn with... Here's another part. We have a little iron steel looking top, but it also has, surprise, surprise, more molds. This one goes over here to cover our storage space area there. And finally, the main part, which is our grilling area itself. We also have a kebab section right here where we can mold different kebab ingredients. So this one goes something like that. For our kebab, we have our kebab stick that we can put around here. There you go. Yay! We got it all figured out. I think we're ready to start making some yummy, yummy food.
Hey, did I hear you say food?
That's right, Spider-Man.
Oh, awesome, because I'm hungry.
Me too. Perfect, you guys came in just in time. All right, Elsa, what would you like to have? Ooh, how about a hot dog in a bun? I can certainly do that. How about you, Spider-Man?
Oh, a good old cheeseburger, please.
Got it. For our hot dog in a bun, we are going to use this mold, and then we have red Play-Doh. Go ahead and put the red Play-Doh over here. There you go. Yum! This hot dog even has the grill marks on it already. Let's go ahead and put this on the grill. Next up, for our burger, we are going to use these molds and we are going to make our burger patty using our brown Play-Doh. Here is our burger patty with also grill marks on it. This one goes onto our grill. Now onto our cheese, I think I want to use orange Play-Doh. That way we can create sort of like a cheddar cheese. That looks delicious. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and grill the cheese up over here on top of the patty.
Looks like it's ready.
Let's go ahead and get our hot dog. Put it over here onto our bun. Queen Elsa, would you like to have ketchup and mustard? Just mustard, please. Okay. Mustard is yellow, so let's get our yellow Play-Doh. Okay, Queen Elsa, here it is. Hot dog in a bun with mustard. Ooh, that looks delicious. Thanks. Looks like our cheese and burger patty are ready. So let's get that. Let's get the bottom bun. Put it on top. This cheeseburger is not yet all done. We still have to put some vegetables on there. So let's start off with our tomato. Red Play-Doh for that. There you go. I know some people don't like tomatoes. I actually really love them. Let's put that right here. Onto our lettuce. For that, of course, we need green Play-Doh. This goes right here. Looking yummy. Let's add pickles. Where is it? There you go. Pickles are also colored green. That one goes up on top as well. Spider-Man, your burger is almost ready, but I just want to know, would you like some ketchup or mustard on it?
Actually, just ketchup, please.
This time around, we are going to use this extruder. Let's put our red Play-Doh inside. And there it is, ketchup. Oh, that's a lot of ketchup. How about some mayo? There you go. Yum. Here's your cheeseburger, Spider-Man. I hope you like it.
Like it? I'm sure I'm going to love it. It looks yummy.
Essie, could you make something for my sister too? Absolutely. What would she like to have? Well, I think she can answer that herself. Princess Anna, here. And I would like to have a shrimp and vegetable kebab. No problem, Princess Anna.
Whoa, I can smell food coming from here from like 20 miles away.
20 miles away? That's an awesome sense of smell, Superman. What would you like to have?
Great question, because I'm really hungry. I want a T-bone steak and chicken.
You got it. Let's get busy, guys. So let's start off by making our kebab for Princess Anna. We are going to use these molds right here. So the first thing we need to do is to get our yellow and orange Play-Doh. We are going to use that for our shrimp. A little bit of this and a little bit of that. Mix them together. A little too much of that. There you go. One goes on this side. And the other one goes on the other side. For our onion, let's go ahead and use red. For like red onion. Half on this side and also on the other side. As you can see right here, we have a mushroom. So we are going to use our brown Play-Doh. So the head part of the mushroom is usually brown, and the stem part is usually color white. Before we close it, let's go ahead and get our stick. Position our stick, that way it is in the middle of all the ingredients. Now we can close it. Give it a good press and open up. There it is. We just have to remove the excess. And voila! Ready to grill. For our kebab to be cooked well, we have to turn it every so often. That way all the sides gets cooked. Now that the kebab is cooking, let's go ahead and make our steak and chicken for Superman. We are going to need our brown Play-Doh for the steak. For the chicken, we need yellow Play-Doh. Now we're ready to close this up and press it really good. All done. Whoa, that turned out great. Start off with our steak. That's nice and thick. How nice is that? Let's put that on the grill. And let's get our chicken. Yum! Onto the grill it goes also. Let's turn our kebab slowly. Flip our T-bone steak on the other side, as well as the chicken. And let's turn our kebab again. And I think our kebab's all done. Let's go ahead and remove that from the grill. Here it is, Princess Anna, your shrimp and vegetable kebab. Super delicious! Now let's get our T-bone steak. I think it's also ready. As well as our chicken. Steak and chicken for our hungry superhero.
Wow, this just made my day. Thanks, guys.
Alright guys, if you love Play-Doh and you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up or click the like button down below. In the comment section, let me know which of the food that we made is your favorite. I think my favorite is our burger. There are actually so many more things that you can create with this Play-Doh set, so if you have it, make sure to just be creative with it and most importantly, have fun with it. See you guys again next time. This is Essie for Toys Unlimited. Goodbye, everybody. Hi, Anna. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, was that your stomach? Yep, I think so. I'm so hungry. Wait, was that your stomach? Yeah, I think I'm as hungry as you are. A coffee pot, blender, toaster with 2 slices of bread, 2 glasses, 2 plates, 2 cups, 2 spoons, and 2 hungry princesses. Just kidding, 2 princesses are not included. Okay, who would like to have some fresh juices? Yummy. I would like to have strawberry juice. Grape juice would be awesome. Let's start with Queen Elsa with her strawberry juice. So we have her strawberry. Let's cut it in half. Let's open up our blender and put this in. And let's get blending. think it's ready. Let's get our glass and pour our strawberry juice in there. Oops, a little too much. That's for Queen Elsa. For Princess Anna, we need grapes. Let's put it in here. Here we go. Looks like we're ready. Here's our glass. And let's pour it in. Whoops. Perfect. Anybody want some toast? Yes, please. Okie dokie. Here we have 1 bread and 2 breads. Push this down and dial this in. Oops, toasts are ready. Let's get our plates. 1 and 2. How about a strawberry spread for Queen Elsa to go with her strawberry juice? Alright, let's go ahead and get some Play-Doh. And we have our knife here. And let's spread it onto our toast. And for Princess Anna's toast, we have grape spread for her grape juice. I think we need a little bit more in there. Okay, perfect. I know they already have juice, but let's go ahead and make them some coffee too. Let's open it up, put our coffee in there, and make it boil. Okay, I think it's done. Let's get our cups and pour it in. Oh, I just love that sound, the pouring sound that it makes. Alright, let's add some sugar. And mix it in. Now the only thing left to do is for us to make some cookies using our mixer. Let's fold this one up. Let's put our cookie mixture in there. Put this down and start mixing. Let's get this together and let's roll them up into cookie doughs. Roll, 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 roll. And press. There you go. 1 cookie dough. Roll, 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 roll. And press again. Whoop. Another cookie dough. Let's add some extra yumminess to it by putting on some chocolate chip. Let's put these in the oven. That looks yummy. Do-do-do-do-do. Let's bake.
Oh my, this is so much fun!
Looks like it's ready. One chocolate chippy cookie and 2 chocolate chippy cookies. Okay, Princess Anna, Queen Elsa, breakfast is ready. Oh, everything looks super delicious. This is so refreshing. And this coffee is very awakening. Yay, cookie time! I have to say, this is my favorite part. Hey, our harp to play us some.
Oh man, I'm hungry.
I hear you, Captain. Me too.
Fighting bad guys does make you hungry.
Uh-oh, looks like our superheroes are starving. No worries, guys. This time around, I will be saving the day. Supergirl, Captain America, what would you like to have?
Hamburger sounds really good right now.
Yes, please. Burger for me too. Let's go ahead and turn our grill on all the way up high. Oopsie, it's still not on. Let's go ahead and help it out with our lighter. Here's our spatula. And let's go ahead and grill our patties. Give it a little press. Now I think it's ready to be flipped over. Whoops! Press it again. Make sure it gets cooked. Okay, I think that's done. Let's put it on the side. Now time to toast our bread. Time to use our tongs to flip our buns. Give them all a good press. And I think we're good. So let's get our burger patty. Goes right here. All right. How about some lettuce? Ketchup, please. Tomato ketchup for Supergirl. How about you, Captain America?
No, thank you.
All done. This is for Supergirl. It's delicious. And for Captain America. Nice, this totally saves the day. Thanks, guys.
Whoosh, whoosh. How about a grilled chicken for me? Me too. Also, a corn on the side.
Got it. Let's start off with our chicken. Let's not forget to season it. And put some barbecue sauce. Time to flip it. Season again. And sauce. Okay, I think that's done. That looks good. Let's go ahead and grill our corn next. Turn it once in a while. And I think it's done too. Nice! Here's our food for our hungry superheroes.
You're the grill master.
I also have some hot dogs. Who would like to have one? Hot dog? That will be me.
And me.
Perfect. Let's turn our grill on again. And this time, we are going to use our grill basket. So all we have to do is put our hot dogs inside, just like that, and put it on the grill. Now you might be wondering why we're doing this. Well, this basket actually prevents the hot dog from like slipping through the cracks of your grill. That way it doesn't go straight to your charcoal or wood. Okay, I think it's all done. Let's turn this off. And inside our hot dogs go. Ketchup, anyone? Okay. All done.
Whoa, this hot dog is the bomb.com.
If you want to see more videos from us, just click one of the boxes on the screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking Sprinkles the Bear. Also, let's continue the fun all over the internet. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Bye, besties!